Welcome to today's video. We are going to be going over how to cover up your dark circles. In case you haven't noticed, I have terrible dark circles. I always have. It's one of those things caused by allergies as well as your genetics, and lucky for me, I have both of those things working against me. So I was blessed with these. Over the years, I found a trick or two on how to best conceal them. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today. So just keep watching, and if you'd like to learn other tips and tricks that are makeup related, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, comment down below, you know, the whole shebang. So I'm going to start off with a really good drugstore concealer. For me, that is the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is just really great, high coverage for the drugstore. Obviously, another really good alternative would be the Shape Tape. Everybody loves that, but I wanted to show you that this look is possible even without Shape Tape, even though Shape Tape is awesome. So to start off, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to apply in almost little like star sweeps in 3 lines is kind of my preference. So I always do one that goes down this deepest crease of my dark circle. There's kind of like that deep one, and I like to trace that out. I'll do one on each side. Then I add in a second one, a little bit shorter, and then one last one on the tail ends. And this will give me really great coverage. You can actually use your fingers for this. I'll show you one side with concealer and one side another method that I really like, and that is with a foundation brush. So if I were to just do the finger, you want to make sure you're tapping into the skin and not spraying. And then I also bring it on top of my lid as well, so that everything is one uniform color. And then at some point, sometimes you have to switch fingers so that you don't have so much product. So as you can see, that's blended out pretty nicely. So if you don't want to invest or you're not ready in a bunch of brushes, that is always a good alternative. Otherwise, this is my IT Cosmetics Air-Based Blurring Foundation Brush. I love this for foundation, so a lot of times if I'm doing foundation and concealer, I will kind of double dip in this guy. But for today, I will just show you this one. And what I'll be doing is, again, just tapping, and you're going to start at the center of the eye and do these tiny little taps back and forth, pressing the product into the skin. I have blended both eyes out. As you can see, there's not really too big of a difference between the two. So the challenge with concealer is always making sure that this product is not setting into the fine lines that are underneath your eye. So we are not quite done yet. The product I'm going to be using is the NYX HD Finishing Powder in the shade Banana. And the reason why I use this is because it is color correcting. Because it is yellow actually helps to counterbalance the dark or blue hues that are underneath our eyes. So this almost acts as a 2 for 1, because not only is it going to set our concealer so that it doesn't move throughout the day and doesn't settle into our fine lines, but this is also going to help to conceal our dark circles even more on top of the concealer that we just used. So this guy is really amazing. Now you can use another setting powder if you prefer, but since this video is for people with bad dark circles, I wanted to show you the higher coverage option. I'm just going to be taking my brush here, and this is through Real Techniques. This is their setting brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this powder, and I'm going to once again press this into my under eye and just kind of bounce it on the skin. You don't want to rub or smear, you just want to bounce it on the skin to help set. And then I will also take this and set the top of my eyes. That way, if I wanted to do eyeshadow, I could. Or even if I don't, you still want to set the top of your eye, again, for all those same reasons. And now we're going to swap over to the brush side. Now one tip is if you have drier under eyes, one thing I would recommend is putting on some type of oil or serum to your under eye before doing all of this. And you don't want it to be too much. If it's too much, it'll be too slippery and kind of mess with everything that we're doing. But if you have a little bit there, personally, I like a little bit of coconut oil. It just helps so that everything isn't so cakey and dry on the face. As you can see now, I have everything blended out. So this is our finished look. Actually, a very short video today, but I just wanted to show you guys how to help conceal those under eyes. So yeah, that is all for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe. Thanks. All right. Bye guys.